Hello everyone, welcome back to Leytenia'Skitchenette. Today I'm going to show you how to cook and prepare a spring rolls. All you need is 1 egg, bell pepper, carrots, spring rolls cover or wrapper, sausages. This is a half of the sausage, big sausage. This is 250 grams. And you have to slice the carrots into strips, and also the bell pepper you have to slice into strips. You need red or green. Then the sausages, you have to slice it into strips and then slice them into cubes. So this will be our mixture for our spring rolls. It is a very healthy, yummy food. So just simply slice the sausage like this and set aside. So just like this, okay? So prepare also onions and garlic, slice into small pieces. And then slice the cabbage and prepare your pan, cooking butter, seasonings like Maggi syrup or chicken bouillon, black pepper, paprika powder, garlic powder, and anything that you like to add into your spring rolls. So here is the cabbage. Just slice it into strips like this, just simply as that. And be careful with your hands. So it's just like that, as simple as this. So set aside first, and now prepare a pan and heat and add cooking butter, or you can use a cooking oil. It depends on you. Then add the onions, garlic, and add the sliced sausages and carrots, stir fry, and also add the cabbage and the paprika. Stir fry it, mix them well, and add garlic powder, paprika powder, Maggi syrup, or any seasonings that you would like to add into the mixture. And now prepare the spring rolls wrapper and beat the eggs. These eggs will use to dump or to wipe into the spring rolls wrapper so that the wrapper will be sealed completely. Okay, just remove it from the plastic cover and just slowly take out one by one the wrapper. So you can put in the presser your spring rolls cover if you are not using. Then if you're going to use, just defrost it to the ref before you're going to prepare and cook your spring rolls. So here is it, just simply as this. Okay, just like that. So just put 1 tablespoon of your cooked mixture of carrots, paprika, cabbage, sausages, and just simply wrap it into the spring rolls cover or wrapper, and just put a little bit of beaten egg so that the cover will be sealed completely. It is just as simple as that. So just follow this instruction carefully, and this is a very easy, very quick, and you will fry this one into the hot pan with a butter, or you can use the cooking oil to fry this spring rolls. So this is one cover or one packaging of spring rolls cover or wrapper. It is about 50 pieces, this medium wrapper. There is also big one, there is small one. This spring rolls wrapper or cover is available in Asia market or any Chinese market in the downtown. I bought this one from Trier, Germany, from Asian market, this spring rolls cover. This is a very healthy, yummy spring rolls. So if you don't have meat, you can just simply stir fry your vegetables like carrots, cabbage, onions, garlic, and just add a simple seasonings, and you just put into the cover and fry it without any additional meat if you are a vegetarian. So this is the best way to eat a healthy food without meat if you are on diet. So this is it, guys. This is just a very simple way on how to cook, and when the mixture is already cooked, just simply put 1 tablespoon of this mixture and just simply wrap into the spring rolls wrapper. So I hope, guys, you get an idea on how to prepare, what are the ingredients needed to prepare and cook a simple but healthy, yummy vegetable spring rolls. I know everybody loves spring rolls. So when you finish wrapping this one, just simply heat a pan, add a butter, and heat the butter in the pan, and just simply fry these spring rolls and turn it back to back as many times as you can so that it will not be browned. It must be golden brown only. So the best way to fry this one, just simply add a little bit butter in the pan and use the pan which is non-sticky so that you don't need to use more butter or oil. Okay, so thank you for watching, guys. I hope you will also try to prepare and cook a healthy, yummy vegetable spring rolls. This is me, Leytenia'Skitchenette.